Hi guys, and welcome to today's Read Aloud, Katie Woo, The Tricky Tooth. Before we jump into this great book, let's get started with our sneak peek. Remember, when we take a sneak peek, we study the picture on the cover and think about what might be happening in the story based on the picture, what we see, and the title. So take a close look and think about, Katie Woo, The Tricky Tooth. What are you noticing in the picture? Think out loud or turn and talk to someone next to you. Right, you might have noticed that Katie has her finger on her mouth and it looks like she's touching one of her teeth. I wonder if that tooth might be the tricky tooth. So let's take a look at the blurb on the back and start to get our brain thinking about what might happen in this story. Hi, I'm Katie Woo. Everyone in my class has lost a tooth. Everyone except me. I have a wiggly tooth though, and I think it might fall out soon, but maybe that tooth is just tricking me. So it sounds like Katie is the only one in her class that hasn't lost a tooth yet. I'm wondering why she says that maybe that tooth is just tricking me. How can her tooth be tricking her? Think out loud or turn and talk with someone next to you about how that tooth might be tricky. Great, way to share out your thinking with someone next to you or out loud. So now that you have an idea of some things that might happen in this book, let's go to our inside the book and take our sneak peek. Table of Contents, Chapter 1, A Loose Tooth. Chapter 2, Still No Luck. Chapter 3, Way to Go. So as I flip through the pages, I want you to study the pictures carefully and think about what you're seeing, what you already started thinking about from the blurb on the back, and just think out loud what might be happening. So as we took a look through some of those pages, I saw Katie with her friend Jojo. I saw that they were both touching their teeth. Then I noticed that Jojo looked like she had lost one of her teeth. I see a big gap in her smile right here, and Katie's looking at her like, maybe she's wondering why she hasn't lost her tooth yet. And then I see here she's brushing her teeth, and the next chapter says, still no luck. So I'm wondering if her tooth is going to fall out soon or if it's going to keep being a tricky tooth. Let's read this great story to find out what happens. Click on the next slide